Okay, guys, so I'm showing you guys how to make slime, and these are the ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need a bowl or a plate, anything you're gonna like make it in. Your mixing tool, your glue, any glue. I got two for some odd reason. Some shaving cream. Well, shaving cream is optional. I'm trying to make mine fluffy. This is optional. And then you're gonna need laundry detergent, and it's called Mela Power, and then right here it says laundry detergent when it focuses. Well, okay, so let's get to it. Oops. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your mixing bowl or whatever you're mixing it in, and then you're going to grab what you're using, the glue. So you're gonna want to open it. Okay, so once you get it open, you're going to grab it, and you're just going to pour as much you want in the bowl, and that's as much slime you'll make. Okay, so I poured that much. Okay, let me move it into the light where you can see it better. Okay. What if I just make it on here? Yeah, I can make it on there. I guess that'll work. Let me just move these. Okay, so there's that. As you see. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get your spoon. Wait, no, you don't need a spoon yet. Silly me. Then you're going to get your shaving cream. And you're going to shoot some in there. I'm just going to start off with that. And then you're going to start mixing your thing. And it actually will start getting to slime. But you're still going to want to put the laundry detergent in it too. So after you mix for a little bit, so we'll be right back to that when I'm done mixing. Okay, so I'm done mixing, and it is a little bit slimy, but not very much. Okay, so then you're going to get your laundry detergent. And these things, this might work, because I found this on the internet, but I have no clue. So I just squirt some in, as you can see right there. I found this on the internet, so then you're going to start mixing it again, and let's just hope it works. And it seems as if it didn't really make it more clumpier than it should have been. But I'm not going to judge it. And now you're going to keep mixing, and I'll be right back to you when I'm done mixing. Okay, so I'm done mixing, and it's getting into slime, but I suggest mixing it for about like a minute or so. And once you're done with mixing it, then you're going to, I looked it up, I missed one ingredient. You're going to want to put some baking powder in. So I'm just going to grab some baking powder and just sprinkle some in. And then you're going to start mixing it again. And obviously, as you can see, that did help. And you're just going to keep mixing it, I guess. Okay, so I'm done mixing it, as you can see, and obviously you can see that the bowl is like pretty much clean, so it's good. So that means, I got most of the slime out, glue, and got it onto the slime. So then you're going to want to take, sorry, I'm trying to get all this off the sides. So then you're going to want to put your spoon, whatever you're mixing, and just set it down somewhere, and grab your slime out. And then sorry, we're going to the bad lighting. Okay, grab me the spoon. Okay. And then you can start playing with it. Now for the color. So, for the color, I am going to show you what I do for the color. I'm going to put it back into this bowl. And I'll be right back when I get the color. Okay, so I have these purple eyeshadow sparkles. And then I have these silver eyeshadow sparkle. So I'm going to put some of the purple in. Okay. And then I want to make sure to close it. And I'm going to put the silver one in. And I'm just going to put a little bit of the silver, because I don't want it to be too silver. Okay, so then, oh, why am I getting my spoon? Then you're just going to want to pick your slime back up, kind of push it together, and just gonna put it on a flat surface again. Sorry about the bad lighting. It's just natural, I guess. Not really. Okay, so I'll get back to you when I get done with this. But you're gonna also, before I do that, you're gonna wanna like kind of mixture it. Yes, I get it. Looks like an egg. So, hey, prank your friends. Make this like this, and then just tell them, here's your egg. Okay, so I'll get back to you when I'm done with the color. Be right back. Okay, so I'm done mixing with the color. And so this is what it looks like. It's a little bit more purple in the corner, but it's fine. We'll take it back into the light. Let's see. And if it starts coming apart like a disattaching to it, like the pieces, what you can do is you can get more of your glue, whatever glue, and just add it to it, and it'll fix it. Or you can get some baking soda and just dip it in there, and then you're gonna want to, and then after that you're gonna get a little bit more shaving cream. So yeah, make sure to like. Bye. Peace.